Hi guys, it's Diamond, and here we can see a Sandra edition. Yes, because I want to show you guys in this video, and just like the video I had just made in these 2 days, and there is so many different pockets in the notebook cover. So I want to here to show you guys the Sandra edition is about including all my signatures in the notebook. So here I'm so happy that I just got the order, and that just can help me to introduce it again to show you guys the Sandra edition and also my signatures in my shop. Okay, so we can see the outside is like this. It has a puzzle smile in the notebook center, and also has a front pocket in the raw edge, and also has buttons here, button closures here. And let's go look inside. Yes, we can see here has the 2 card slot here, and here is the wing pocket in the back, and open it. There are V pocket and E pocket. So the Sandra edition just including all the pockets in my shop, and put all the pockets in the complete notebook cover. Yes, and that took a lot of work, but I just love to do it. And here has a special way here I want to tell you guys, because it's really good, and it's really functional and useful. Usually I use the page holder is using the elastic, and I feel the elastic page holder, they are very easy to lose the elasticity. So I just need to figure out one way to make the page holder is more stable and more stronger to holding your notebooks. So you can see here I switch the elastic page holder into the regular page holder. Yes, and it's very strong, and also it's very beautiful. So I'm so happy I just designed this new page holder, and I'm so happy that I'm sure you guys will love the page holder. Yes, because if I keep using the elastic page holders, and because it's all already sewing on, so when you lose the elasticity, and it will just be very floppy in this notebook, and that might be just make it don't look good and feel not so well when you're using the cover. So now I switch it to the regular page holder. I'm sure you can use a very long time, and it will just very steady and strong to holding your notebook. Okay, so this is the new design today, and also show you guys again the 4 different pockets in my shop, and they are combined in the notebook, and with a puzzle spine and the front pocket and a button closure. And this is the Sandra edition. Okay, so wish you guys will love the video today, and we will see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.